Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business, but the thought of legal jargon and paperwork made your head spin? Maybe you've heard of limited liability companies, or LLCs, and the protection they offer, but wondered, how much does LegalZoom actually charge to set up an LLC? If that question has crossed your mind, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of LegalZoom and breaking down their pricing for LLC formation. We'll explore their different packages, what's included, what's not included, and ultimately, help you decide if LegalZoom is the right fit for your entrepreneurial journey. Starting a business is exciting, but it also comes with a lot of responsibilities, especially when it comes to legal structure. An LLC is a popular choice for many small business owners because it offers personal asset protection. This means that if your business faces a lawsuit or debt, your personal assets, like your home, car, or personal savings, are typically shielded. It's a crucial step in separating your personal finances from your business finances, giving you peace of mind as you grow your venture. Now, you might be thinking, why LegalZoom? Can't I just do this myself? And yes, you absolutely can file your LLC paperwork directly with your state. However, the process can be complex and vary significantly from state to state. There are articles of organization to prepare, registered agent requirements to understand, and often ongoing compliance tasks to keep track of. This is where services like LegalZoom come in. They aim to simplify the process, guiding you through the steps and handling the actual filing on your behalf. But convenience often comes with a cost, and that's precisely what we're going to unpack today. Let's get right to it. LegalZoom's pricing structure for LLC formation. LegalZoom offers a tiered pricing model, meaning they have different packages with varying features and price points. It's not just one flat fee, and understanding these tiers is key to making an informed decision. At the very basic level, LegalZoom advertises an LLC formation service that starts at $0 plus state filing fees. Yes, you heard that right, $0 for their service fee. This basic package typically includes the preparation and filing of your articles of organization with the state, a comprehensive business name check to ensure your desired name is available, and sometimes, a tax consultation. This can seem incredibly appealing, especially for new entrepreneurs on a tight budget. However, it's crucial to understand that the state filing fees are not included in this $0. These fees are mandated by your specific state and can range anywhere from $35 to $500, or even more, depending on where you're forming your LLC. So, while LegalZoom's service fee might be $0, you'll still need to factor in your state's required filing costs. Moving up the ladder, LegalZoom offers their Pro package. This package is designed for those who need more than just the bare essentials to get their business off the ground. The Pro package typically costs around $249 plus state filing fees. What do you get for that extra investment? The Pro package usually includes everything in the basic package, plus several key additions that can be incredibly valuable for a new business. This often includes an operating agreement, which is a crucial legal document outlining the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC. While not always required by the state, an operating agreement is highly recommended for all LLCs, especially multi-member LLCs, as it helps prevent future disputes among members. The Pro package also frequently includes an employer identification number, or EIN. An EIN is essentially a social security number for your business, needed for tax purposes, hiring employees, and opening a business bank account. You can obtain an EIN for free directly from the IRS, but LegalZoom includes it for convenience. Additionally, the Pro package might offer access to a library of legal documents and e-signature capabilities for a year, which can be useful for ongoing business needs. Finally, at the top tier, you'll find LegalZoom's Premium package, often priced around $299 plus state filing fees. This is their most comprehensive offering and aims to provide more hand-holding and legal support. The Premium package includes everything from the Pro package, with the notable addition of attorney consultations. Typically, this means you get a limited number of 30-minute consultations with an attorney on new legal topics related to your business for a certain period, sometimes 30 days. This can be invaluable for navigating initial legal questions and ensuring everything is set up correctly. The Premium package may also include expedited processing from LegalZoom, meaning they prioritize your order and submit it to the state more quickly. However, it's important to remember that the state's processing time is still a factor and can vary widely. Beyond these core packages, LegalZoom also offers a range of add-on services, and this is where the costs can really start to accumulate. These are often presented during the checkout process and can be tempting, but it's essential to scrutinize whether you truly need them. One common add-on is registered agent service. Every LLC is required to have a registered agent, an individual or entity designated to receive legal and tax documents on behalf of your business. While you can often serve as your own registered agent, many business owners prefer to use a professional service for privacy, or if they don't have a physical address in the state where their LLC is formed. LegalZoom charges a recurring annual fee for their registered agent service, which can be significant, often around $249 per year. This is a crucial cost to consider, as it's an ongoing expense. Other potential add-ons include compliance services, which might involve LegalZoom reminding you of annual report deadlines and even filing them on your behalf, though you'll still pay the state's annual report fee. They might also offer business license and permit research, which provides a report on the licenses and permits your specific business needs, but typically doesn't include the application or filing fees for those licenses. Additional legal forms, domain name registration, and website building services are also frequently offered. So when you ask, how much does LegalZoom charge to set up an LLC? The answer isn't a simple number. It's a combination of LegalZoom's service fee, which can be $0, $249, or $299 depending on the package, plus your state's mandatory filing fees and any additional services or add-ons you choose. To give you a clearer picture, let's consider a hypothetical scenario. Let's say you're forming an LLC in a state with a $100 filing fee. Basic package, your total cost would be $0 LegalZoom fee plus $100 state fee equals $100. Pro package, your total cost would be $249 LegalZoom fee plus $100 state fee equals $349. Premium package, your total cost would be $299 LegalZoom fee plus $100 state fee equals $399. Now, if you add the annual registered agent service for $249, that's an additional cost to factor in for subsequent years. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.